Hi everyone, welcome back. First up is this pink cast iron flamingo bottomer, one of my eBay finds. Next is this silver watch that I picked up while sourcing. It looked to be in good condition, so I decided it was worth listing on eBay. Next up is this red sparkly watch. It's a really eye-catching piece, so I'm hoping it will appeal to the right buyer. Next up is this Tech USB charger. It's a useful everyday item. Next is this DU Care Facial Cleansing Sponge Set. Next is this iPhone 5 screw organizer for repair jobs. Then we have two iPhone 11 phone cases, an iPhone X or XS phone case. Next up is this V-Craft pen case. Next up is this Leisure Go table runner for outdoor table. Next is the Superdry hoodie in size 3X. It's a late 2010 and in great condition. Next is this board game, a fun family game that's ready for a new home.